for this video, we're gonna have the big mouth install from Velocitech. So far, I already have the bumper off and a few little pieces here and there. But for right now, I'm just gonna show you how to do the big mouth. I may do a bumper install and removal for the CT4 Blackwing, but for now, this is gonna be more so focused on the big mouth. And I don't know, I might just add a install or removal for the bumper within the video, just see how kind of help you guys out a little further, because the bumper, I guess, was the harder part, and then just figuring out how this goes, because there's not really an installation guide that I found online to put these on. So without further ado, we're just gonna get to it. So beforehand, when you get the piece and everything, you're gonna get this little baggie, and obviously the big mouth, and this baggie's gonna have these screws right here that I've kind of already taken out the bag. And obviously these screws are gonna go here to these three corners as you try to fit them right here. So the way this works is, if you can kind of see in there, that's where your air kind of comes through the grill and goes into your intake, and does this little magic. So what this is really just going to do is, as it's sitting here in the grill, it's just going to have air, cooler air, kind of go through it, and it gets redirected here, and it kind of just sucks into the intakes, and you have your cold air, quote unquote. I kind of just got this just, kind of for fun. I kind of like the way it looked, had the red kind of pop out, make it stand out a little bit more. But back to the video, like I said, you're gonna have these three kind of corner pieces here, and at first I was like trying to put it onto here and trying to figure out how it worked, but in actuality, all you have to kind of do is kind of match these pieces. Like, this is gonna go in this little hole right here, if that makes sense. So you're gonna put this in here, this is gonna go through like a hole in here, and this bottom one is gonna go down here. It's also labeled passenger, and the P for passenger right here, the other one's D for driver. So basically all I'm gonna do is gonna just set this in here. You really want to kind of get this one lined up, because this is really the one that truly kind of lines in and kind of holds it. And once you kind of get in there good enough, all three pieces, corners in there good enough, you're gonna take the screw and a little holder, and kind of have this holder kind of sitting across, feed the screw through all the way till you get it to the hole, and just kind of screw it in. You may have to do a little playing around with how you want the little holder to kind of hold it and everything, and where you want it to be at. But once you kind of feed it through, kind of start to feed, then you're gonna get your little screwdriver or whatever you're using to kind of screw it in, and lefty loosey, righty tighty. Obviously, probably gonna skip this part. And then once you kind of got it tightened down on there a little bit, you want to do the other two. It's going to be kind of all the way in here. Let's see if I get another angle on it. Kind of in here. Got this piece right here. Put this right there. Feed it through. Kind of start the thread a little bit, and finish it off with the screwdriver. That's feeling pretty good. Okay, so here's kind of just what it looks like with kind of both of them in. Kind of unofficial look, but now pretty much all you got to do now is put the bumper back on, and yeah, it should pretty much fit in there and sit right there pretty easily. I'm probably going to clip another video to this, but if I don't, this will be kind of the end of the video. If you have any questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section. Hit me up on Instagram or anything like that, and I'll definitely be sure to help you guys out. But without further ado, I appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.